In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L810 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L810 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson L810. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select Go. And then you want to expand the drivers section, and there should be a print driver located in here. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's on your machine, just go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. And then just proceed with the installer. You can then select OK. Just follow through the on-screen prompts at this point to configure it based on your preferences, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.